Hello, all my scientists and engineers, and welcome to your winter escape room. I know everyone's pretty bummed out about not being able to go to school. Actually, I could think of a few of you who are pretty excited about not being into school and having an extra day on your winter break. But for those of you who are going to miss the winter escape room, I wanted to make sure you had a digital copy. So we are going to break into your Google Classroom. You're going to find your B-Day science class, obviously. If you got this video, you're here. In classwork, you have an escape room topic already lined up. Click on the winter escape room, open it up. This video where it says click here for instructions is a video that you are watching now, so you don't need to watch it again. This second slide is your escape room challenge. It talks about why you are trying to solve these puzzles in the first place. The third slide starts your first puzzle of 8 different puzzles. I encourage you to have a sheet of paper next to you so you can work out all the different solutions to your problem, because over here on the left, right here, is going to be where you put your answer. So you do have 8 puzzles. Some of these puzzles you need to move little pieces and move them around so they fit, but your answer goes right there. All right, as I scroll down, I'm collecting all of my answers. There's an answer box for every single puzzle. As I get down to the bottom, I can submit my answers. When I submit my answers, it goes to a Google form and it has you put in the answers one by one. So for puzzle 1, if you're correct, it'll allow you to put in puzzle 2. Anyway, it's going to be frustrating. No, you don't get any help. Another sad thing, shed that tear, is that you will not be in the running for the big grand prize. The big grand prize that we will give students, because the other students from A-Day did not get any assistance whatsoever, and they were set on a time limit. Each of these puzzles, they were only given 9 minutes to do. So you guys actually have 8 puzzles instead of 4 puzzles, but you also have Google right there to help you. Anyway, good luck, stay safe, and I hope to see you guys in the new year. Bye.